Hey guys, we're back with another video about how to use PS5 to get on Disney Plus. All right, it's quite simple. So this is the home page, but if you're like coming from, let's say, a game page or a game, then all you have to do is push the PS5, then go down. See how it says home right here? Go ahead, push X, then go to the top. You'll see games and media. Go to media. So you push up and then you go. We're gonna click media. Then on the bottom, you'll see a list, and we're gonna go to Disney, and we're gonna push X, and then we're gonna go ahead and download. All right, so I'll go ahead and push download for you guys. We're gonna download. It's downloading now. You'll see everything. Quite simple, really fast to download. I just did live. Now all you have to do is push start, and then it'll give you an option to sign up, sign in. If you already have Disney Plus, just sign in and then it's ready to go. All right, so then I'm just gonna show you real fast. Another option is once you're signed in, media, we go to media. Then when you scroll down, we're gonna push the down button and then we're gonna be able to find Disney Plus on the bottom. Oh, actually no, I'm sorry, we're not. All right, I'm gonna cut the video right there. I messed up. Oh, here it is. No, I didn't mess up. Disney Plus. It was the first one. See? And now we're gonna just be able to see what movies are on Disney Plus. All right, guys, I hope that video helps. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Like or comment below. Bye-bye.